Cleaning your home doesn't need to be difficult, and with today's product, it's actually kind of fun. Hi, I'm Caitlin, and today we're talking about the Miele Boost CX1 Canister Vacuum. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you like, subscribe, and don't forget to tap that notification bell so you never miss out on any of our latest products. The Boost CX1 uses Vortex Technology to give you a powerful cleaning experience. It utilizes track drive technology to follow on the heels of its user, which makes it really easy to maneuver as well. Speaking of maneuverability, there are wheels on the sides of the machine that help to protect your furniture and door frames, and they give you better stability and direction. They help your machine to stand safe and secure anywhere, even on the stairs. The wheels keep it from rolling over so you can park your vacuum anytime, anywhere if you need to take a break. Its compact size makes it perfect for smaller homes and is another plus when it comes to maneuverability. It's easy to stow away to save space, and it's lightweight and easy to carry. The Boost CX1 utilizes a hygiene air clean filter that's able to retain even the smallest particles, and the filter frames are made from recycled plastic, which means this vacuum is good for your home and for the environment. It's got a universal floor head so you can clean just about anywhere, and has a comfort telescopic tube to make adjusting the height simple. In the box, you get an upholstery nozzle, crevice nozzle, and dusting brush with synthetic bristles. If you have any other questions about the Miele Boost CX1, please reach out to us by phone, email, or chat with one of our experts online. We're always happy to help. I don't know about you, but this video has really boosted my mood. I'll see you next time.